guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a video on my Golf R. The only thing that I've changed cosmetically about it is the wheels. I added side skirts and a diffuser, and I've sort of blacked out the front. We're going to be doing some nice cinematics, drive-bys and sort of launches and things like that, and this will be the very first time I launch my car as well. So yeah, we'll see that on video. So it's a 2015 Maxton Golf R. 0 to 60 in about 4.7 or 4.9 seconds, I can't actually remember. 2 litre 4-cylinder. And you'll see behind me, Max 7.5 Golf GTI. We are doing a video on that, so if you do want to see that video, click the pop-out banner up here and it'll take you straight to that one. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Factory exhaust, although you do get like sounds pumped through the speakers in here, you may be able to hear it. I'll put it in race mode to see if you can hear like the sounds that come through. But yeah, again, all-wheel drive sticks a little bit better than the GTI. So yeah, I mean, you can kind of hear like the sounds coming through. The steering's a lot heavier compared to the GTI, and Connor, he also mentioned it too, that he feels like the steering feels a little bit heavier in this one compared to his. Really get the sound, so I feel like something is in order for this one to just get that better sound out of it. I won't go too much on about this car because obviously you've seen this car before. I've done plenty of reviews on it, but I've never seen it myself being driven, which were quite weird. And I did my very first launch in this car today ever. 3 years of ownership and I've never done it, so this is the first time I'm ever launching my car as well. So I'm quite particular when I do things. I like to have like camera footage of it and everything just to sort of document it. And luckily today I had my camera, my GoPro and my phone recording the launch as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy. Yo, that is sick. Years of ownership, I feel like I should have probably done it before then, but oh well. Saved it for a special occasion, and we had a really good road to do it on, which was clear. There was no cars or anything, because whenever I've been out filming, if I'm on a straight road, for some reason it's just like the motorway on it. Always. You never get a soft spot where it's like quiet. It's just constantly just traffic all the time. I'll park in the middle of the road, there'll be no cars, it'll be fine, I'll be getting my stuff set up. As soon as I get out, that's when all the cars arrive. So that wraps up things for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I've enjoyed filming it. I don't really know what it's going to be like coming together. Fingers crossed everything looks okay. But yeah, if you do want to see the video for the GTI that we did, again, pop it up in the banner link and I will also have it in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do want a car feature yourself, then please hit me up on Instagram, send me a direct message. Just reply to this video in the comments and I'll get back to you and everything. Yeah, let's do one last send.